1903 we sailed out to sea, out from the sweet town of Derry. For Australia bound, if we didn't all drown, the marks of our feathers we carry. In the rusty iron chains we cried for our wains, our good women we left in sorrow. As the mainsails unfurled, our curses we hurled at the English and thoughts of tomorrow. Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. At the mouth of the Foyle bid farewell to the soil, as down below decks we were lying. Oh, the hurdy scream woken out from a dream by a vision of bold Robert dying. The sunburn cruel as we dished out the gruel, Don O'Connor was down with the fever. 60 rebels today bound for Botany Bay, how many will reach their receiver? Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. I cursed them to hell as our bow fought the swell. A ship danced like a moth in the firelight. White horses rode high as the devil passed by, taking souls to Hades by twilight. 5 weeks out to sea, we're now 43. We bury our comrades each morning. In our own slime we were lost in the time, endless days without dawning. Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. Oh, Van Diemen's Land is a hell for a man to end out his whole life in slavery. For the climate is raw and the gun makes the law, no marks or cares are for bravery. 20 years have passed by, I've ended me bond, my comrades a close walk behind me. A rebel I came, oh I'm still the same, on a cold winter's night you will find me. Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. I was back home in Derry. Oh, I wish I was back home.